think the WorldSkills competition is set apart or different from the other ones is that the criteria is definitely more challenging for our competitors to meet.
The WorldSkills is, it's a lot more advanced. What they're looking for to be that #1 United States representative, surpasses all the other competitions that I've been involved in.
Not only do you have to compete against your peers, but then once you compete and you win the opportunity to represent the United States, you have to compete against the best in the world. So every second of every day needs to be committed to the goal of taking home gold.
We see the payout is motivating and changing a student's life. Seeing them progress to a point where you know that they're going to be successful no matter what they do because of that grit that they develop.
What we do here is provide opportunity for young individuals to broadcast their skills that they've been working really hard on for the past anywhere from 6 months to a year, working up to this point.
So I grew up thinking my dad was a welder back when I was 2 or 3 years old. My mom has a picture of me with the little pipe cleaner.
At my school, they have an exploratory program where you get to view different shops and get to explore them. Actually, when I first went to Diamond, I had the idea of going to electricity, but when I found this shop, the metal fab, started welding. I just loved it.
So what inspired me to do welding was my dad. He had a welding business. At my high school, they offered a welding course starting at the sophomore level, so I joined that. I went through welding all throughout high school.
So my mom was a Skills USA advisor. When I came in freshman year and I was in my shop, I learned about Skills USA. I told my mom about it, and then I found out she was an advisor for Skills USA. And she was all for it. So following year, sophomore year, I tried it out, and my instructor, he told me just try it out, and now I'm in Alabama, and it's definitely cool.
I think mentorship is really important in their success. We bring in 2 past competitors typically to work with our current competitor, and that mentorship is absolutely huge.
I think this competition it's like the Olympics for the skilled trades. Training-wise, you're sacrificing a lot to train and put in the time.
So competing and doing these competitions and whatnot, I've learned a ton of stuff about welding, obviously, but I've also learned a lot of other important skills, like being able to work with people, being professional.
Even if I don't win, this road that I've been on to Skills has been amazing. Awesome opportunities that they gave me and that has come my way. It's been an awesome experience.
So competing has made me a better welder because we have to perform the same task under pressure. We have certain criteria we have to hit. Not only are you making a good weld, but you have to do it in a time limit and you can't redo it.
Obviously we're here and we're trying to win, but the knowledge and the experience you'll gain by doing this is the biggest reward. The knowledge and whatnot is priceless.